Are we there yet?
Dad, are we there yet?
Are we there yet?
Are we there yet?
Alexa, play something funky.
Here's a station for funky music.
Hey Josh, it's Liz from college.
Hey,
What are you doing here?
trying to get a taxi, but my phone's dead.
Well, hop in.
Oh, thanks. Thanks. Do you know the way to South Bay?
Alexa, get directions to South Bay.
Okay, getting directions to South Bay.
What is that? I thought it was just a charger.
It is a car charger that can do a ton of other things. Alexa, play some music.
Here is the station you might like. Rockstar from Amazon Music.
That's awesome. What else can it do?
Alexa, what else can you do?
You can tell me to turn up the volume, play music, create a to-do list, or look up a topic on Wikipedia.
Alexa, where's the nearest gas station?
The fastest route to gas right service at 980 Main Street takes about 5 minutes via Central Parkway and Garden Drive.
I don't think I have your phone number anymore.
Alexa, call Josh.
Calling Josh Mobile.
Thanks for the ride. Maybe I can repay you with a cup of coffee sometime.
Sure.
Alexa, set a reminder for coffee with Josh at 10 a.m.
Okay, I'll remind you tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Introducing Muse, bringing Amazon's Alexa and more to most any vehicle.
Alexa, play some Daya.
Shuffling songs by Daya.
Did I just... Alexa, close the garage door.
Okay.
Could dress up to get love. Guess what? I'm never gonna be that girl who's living in a Barbie world.
Alexa, add singing lessons to my to-do list.
I've added singing lessons to your to-do list.
Alexa, what's on my calendar?
Here are the next 2 events. Tomorrow at 3 p.m. there's a meeting with marketing team. Then tomorrow, there is Katie 1-year anniversary, which lasts all day.
No!
Having the Muse Alexa assistant in your car gives you the ability to safely navigate your life.
Alexa, what's the weather gonna be like tonight?
Tonight, you can look for mostly clear skies with a low of 56 degrees.
Alexa, order some chocolate.
I found Godiva chocolates for $46. Would you like to order it?
Yes.
Alexa, ask Magic 8 Ball if it's gonna be a great weekend.
The Magic 8 Ball says it appears to be true.
Having the Alexa assistant in your car gives you the ability to be a more effective adult.
Alexa, ask open table for a reservation tomorrow night at Postina.
Is 8 p.m. okay?
Yes. Hey babe, looking forward to our anniversary this weekend. Katie?
Alexa, order champagne for delivery tomorrow.
Okay.
This is Bouncy. It's great. This little adapter plugs in any car. No tools, no wires. It just plugs in. And it works directly with my Bouncy app, connecting my car to my life. My daughter just passed her driving test. I trust her, but she's a new driver, and I want to know she's safe. With Bouncy, I can set alerts. They keep me informed and encourage her to drive safely. Speed, acceleration, braking, just about anything. I can even set safe driving times. If she's driving and it's late at night, I need to know. Using GeoCircles, I can drop a circle anywhere. School, a friend's house, the mall. When she arrives, I know. When she leaves, I know. I still worry, but I worry less.
My wife just sent me a text.
There's a light on her dash that looks like a teapot. Cars are extremely advanced. Unfortunately, I'm not. I have no idea why there's a teapot on her dash, but Bouncy does. Okay, there it is. Oil light. We probably should get that looked at. Bouncy is continually checking the health of my cars. If there's ever a strange light that needs my attention, Bouncy lets me know what I need to do. Bouncy keeps me one step ahead. Alexa, ask Bouncy, do I need gas?
Your fuel level is 20%. Don't forget, your registration will expire at the end of the month.
Thanks, Bouncy. With Bouncy, I can go ahead and forget insurance, registration, emissions. If it expires, Bouncy remembers. And anytime I need important information, it's right at my fingertips. Not just for one car, but for all my cars. I use my personal vehicle to visit clients. Keeping track of miles, big hassle. With Bouncy, my miles are recorded automatically. I just set which visits are client visits, and my app does the rest. I can even have Bouncy enter everything right into a spreadsheet, so I can spend time on more important things.
Introducing Garmin Speak Plus with Amazon Alexa. What you love about Amazon Alexa now in your vehicle. Just say Alexa to make things happen. Stream audio through your car stereo. Enjoy your music, your playlists, your way. Access news, weather, sports, stock markets, and more. Turn words into actions by asking Alexa to order stuff and make lists. Say, Alexa, ask Garmin to get visual and spoken turn-by-turn directions. There's also a built-in dash cam that records your drive. Remotely managed smart home devices, lights, locks, thermostat. Passengers will be entertained with games, jokes, and trivia. Choose from thousands of skills in the Alexa app. You'll be amazed at what you can see, hear, and do with Garmin Speak Plus with Amazon Alexa.
Hey, it's Doug with the Zero Touch team. In this video, we'll talk about Alexa integration with Zero Touch. While Zero Touch handles your driving directions, incoming messages, emails, calendar invites, and music, Alexa integration brings a whole new level of smarts to your car. From checking the weather or seeing the score of the game, to adding an item to your shopping list and turning on your lights at home, Alexa is a powerful addition now at your disposal. To use this feature, you'll need to be running a minimum of Android 5.0. And while you don't need to own an Echo device at home, you will need an Amazon account in order to enable Alexa with Zero Touch. See the Learn section in the app for setup instructions. Now, there are a couple of slight differences between Zero Touch and Alexa interactions. While a high five is all that's needed to give a command to Zero Touch, Alexa commands require a high five, then a call out. Like this. Alexa, what's the weather in San Francisco today?
Currently, in San Francisco, California, it's 52 degrees with partly sunny skies. Today, you can expect mostly sunny weather, with a high of 54 degrees and a low of 41 degrees.
Or, like this. Alexa, set an alarm for 6:30 a.m.
Alarm set for 6:30 a.m. tomorrow.
And, since Zero Touch and Alexa are two separate voice assistants, not only are their voices different, but their on-screen prompts are slightly different as well. Now, you may notice that the volume of Alexa's speech is different than the volume of Zero Touch's speech. If you'd like to adjust this, you can do one of two things. To adjust the Zero Touch speech volume, go to the Zero Touch app and adjust the speech volume slider.
How does this sound?
Or you can adjust Alexa's speech volume, go to your phone settings, navigate to sounds, and adjust the medium volume control to your liking. Consult your phone manual or support page for instructions on how to navigate to your specific phone's sound settings. Note, Alexa integration will only work in countries where Amazon's Alexa voice service is supported. Check the Zero Touch Help section in our app or our support page online for our most updated list of supported countries. Feel free to like or comment below, or if you have any other questions, you can always reach us at zerotouchhelp@logitech.com.